Hello friends. So friends, today we are going to see how to download Raspberry Pi 3 OS on the Raspberry Pi 3 model. So here we start. Here we go to the Raspberry Pi imager, and after that we click the imager and go to control panel of this, and after that we go to choose Raspberry Pi model. After here we choose Raspberry Pi 3, and after that we choose OS. Here we choose 64-bit OS. After that here we choose the disk where you want to save the operating system. This is
or edit the settings. Here we provide username and password. After that here we provide the Wi-Fi network where you want to connect. Here username and password. After that click on OK and edit. After that here started the progress. After completing the progress, just click on continue. Your Raspberry Pi is successfully installed, or now you can put this into your Raspberry Pi model and just boot the Raspberry Pi model. So the operating system successfully working.
Thanks for watching.